Previously on Bermuda Part 1.
3. Do you want to go to Yes, Queen, a mermaid.
Hi everybody. It's day 3. Yesterday was a blast. We are getting ready to do aqua aerobics. Just waiting for mommy. Yeah, that's all I ate. There's Bermuda. We are finally here. We're at Bermuda. I don't know what island that is. I'm trying to get on it. Look at that. You can see straight through the water. It's so crazy. I hope this man isn't playing a slave. That's all. You know you're in Bermuda when you see a chicken walking down the street. Where'd it go? You see this? It's over there. Yeah. How did it cross the street is the question. We gotta come back with a
look, we're going line, right? Take your fin, right? Going line. You see some gorgeous.
Okay, we are on a shuttle with Peter from Real Housewives of Atlanta, and he is going to take us to Bay Beach. We are on the beach. We're on the beach. The sand is so cool. OMG, OMG. Oh, we're in a hotel. Alright guys, I forgot to mention it is day 4. We docked yesterday in Bermuda. So today is more so because of the Queen's passing. Today is a day that we were thinking of just staying in. So we'll see. There's a lot of people, so that's why we're so close. Lasagna and pistachio panna cotta, curry chicken with rice, cabbage salad, and like a chicken parmesan situation, and some type of bread with parmesan melted. And here's the view. Oh man, she done got.
I saw these coming out on the ship too.
Look at the wild roosters. I'll just be recording, not even know. This is deep stuff.
Exciting. Ah.
Hi. It's the end of day 4. I just finished watching King Richard in the theater, and it is now 11:42 p.m. here. So we're gonna go to bed, and we have an early morning breakfast at 8, and then we'll be leaving the ship at 8:45 to do our excursion, which will be shopping in Hamilton, which is supposed to be one of the major cities or areas here. So I will see y'all in the morning. Bye.
I get my like plate of cookies ready with that picture, chill. Oh, we don't do that.
$1 for every palm tree planted. So you know property is expensive when you have multiple palm trees on it. So we're going to be pulling into Hamilton here, as you see, Front Street. We're going to give you some maps. Ryan's going to offer a walking tour.
We are in Hamilton, looking like tourists, and this is really cute. We're on Front Street right now. People are still getting off the boat. Look how pretty. TheBeachBermuda.com. Oh, Philly steak. I wonder if that's any good. Good. Fish and chips. Mango habanero grilled shrimp. Wahoo bites. Even the fries in Bermuda are better. Hey guys, we're headed back to the boat. Headed back to the ship. So sad. So sad. I just wanted to show you guys some of the cakes in Bermuda. This is from Glaze. The sun has just set. Here's the deck at night. They're gonna be having a dancing under the stars later on at I think 9 o'clock. What time is it? 7:45-ish? So that should be nice.
Set me free. Student Cupid, stop picking on me. Cation in the summer sun.
Good morning, guys. It's day 6. 6:57 in the morning. We got up early because I don't know. But we're gonna go see. I don't know what we're gonna see. I'm sorry, I'm sleeping. Yeah, we're gonna eat breakfast. It's really early. Oh look, the sun is on this side.
Last breakfast before we leave.
Oh, it sure is the last breakfast. We're getting ready to watch the World's Sexiest Man contest. Look at They are signed up for the contest. And we're going to decide who was the sexiest man on the boat. This is funny. Oh yeah, he needs to go in there. Yeah.
How's everybody doing?
We're fine. This is going. That's gross. Oh, goodness. All right. I'm about to attempt a rock climbing. I don't know. Happens. I love you all. Y'all are wonderful. Please. I don't even know. She just realized how nice she is. Yeah, yay, Reese! Woo! Yay, you did it! Woo! Thank you. The fifth night is Indian night. Tandoori chicken, butter chicken, paneer, I forgot what it's called, but I actually buy that from Trader Joe's. Other types of chicken, a roasted potato. This is the potato dish with spices and vegetables and a side salad. So yeah. This is our last dinner and I have to show you guys the dessert. The desserts are crazy. Hold on. It's the last night and we're having some of their celebration cake. This is that big chocolate cake.
That's a good name for it.
And birthday cake or blueberry.
I was gonna say, wow, whose birthday?
And well, this is actually the farewell cake. That's a celebration, but you know, they have like a bunch of celebration cakes. So this is their chocolate. Chocolatey. Oh, that's not too bad. The ganache, of course. The ganache is super, super chocolatey. But the cake isn't overwhelming. That's perfect for me. We saw other ships on the water, and I was trying to figure out if I jumped deck, how long would it take me to get to the other ship? A long time. Pitch black outside. It's 8 o'clock. It just is more than likely wouldn't happen. But anyway, we just watched Fatherhood, starring Kevin Hart. Here's mommy.
Hi. Did you tell them about your rock climbing?
That was the best. I can't wait to do it again.
Ladies! That's it. That's the ladies. Is it gonna be the gentlemen? The players, from the starting point, they're going to put the keychain on their cheeks. Tap, tap, tap. All right. Good. 314-265. 314-265. When you're done, raise it. 162-534. 162-534. It's a gentleman.
Each and every one of you count. Play the music.
Gentlemen, follow me.
Okay, it's your turn. Grab as much as ladies as you can on the dance floor.
No! Recount.
5 points for the ladies.
It's the last night, you guys. I just had so much fun. We had a game show. I took part in it. It wasn't a big deal. It was just a little part. I just danced on stage with 130 other women. Anyway, I'm headed back to my room.
We do departing video.
It's day 6.
We had a great time.
We're departing. We're here. We're back on land.